Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Dodge Journey SXT. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger.